Hiya, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some brownies. For me, the best part of the brownie is the crispy edge, so I thought I would combine my two favorite things, brownies and the crispy edges, and put it into a cupcake case. So that every brownie will have a crispy edge, since it will be in a cupcake case, and the rim of the cupcake case will be the crispy edge. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a pot over medium heat, add in 1 cup of butter and 1 cup of chocolate. Mix until smooth and well combined. Whisk together 4 eggs. Add in 1 cup of sugar and mix until thick and pale. Add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Add in 1 cup of flour and mix until smooth. Fold in your cooled chocolate mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and mix until smooth. Pour into cupcake cases and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Enjoy these brownies where every brownie has a crispy edge.